Welcome to this video. Really great to have you here with me. If you're watching this, you're probably looking to make $1,000 a week or more with your affiliate marketing efforts, and in this video I'm going to show you the best way to start doing that. And the best thing, I'm going to show you how to do it with AI. I'm going to show you the prompts to use so you can start making that sort of money. If you're interested in building income streams with AI or with the help of AI, do subscribe to the channel. Do give us a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it if you get something from this video. And do check out the link in the description. It will take you through to this page. I've got 100 free AI prompts for you to build a six-figure affiliate business. And let me show you this. So when I'm talking about a six-figure affiliate business, it's not all hot air. I'm literally showing you the methods with those prompts that I use to build a six-figure business the manual way, before AI. I've been online since 2003, 2004, that's 20 years, and I've been a top client of ClickBank multiple times. This is actually the 2013 Premier program, going right back to 2007, 2008, 2009, 10, 11, 12, 13 and even 14 and 15 as well. So I've got vast experience with affiliate marketing with my own products as well. But now with the advent of AI, you can do things so much quicker. So that's what I want to show you today. Let's get into that good stuff. Do check out your free AI prompts in the description below if you want in on that, and do subscribe to the channel if you're interested in building AI income streams. So let's get straight on with it. Okay, so the first prompt that I've got for you, and the best place to start, is niches. So when you're thinking about the best niche to go into, this could be an affiliate site, like ranked via SEO, but it could also be a ClickBank product, or it could also be any affiliate program. So don't just limit yourself to SEO driven sites. You could promote them through a funnel, ClickBank product, anything. You need a niche. And I've got a prompt for you here that will get you started and make sure that you get a niche that has actually got searches, actually got interest, and one that you can actually get traffic for. So here's a prompt I recommend that you start with. Suggest 5 profitable affiliate niches for health products that people actively search for but are not heavily targeted by affiliate marketers. And what this does is something that if you were to do it manually would be really, really difficult and take you a long time. You're asking AI to give you niches that are profitable because they get searched for but haven't got a huge amount of competition. Again, you can see here that I've put health products. You could modify that for any niche area that you want. And you can see here posture correction, why it's profitable. Target audience, office workers, remote workers, and anyone suffering from back pain. Posture correctors, ergonomic chairs. Again, if you get that targeting right, let's say you had a niche site, for instance, you've got a site that's well worth $1,000 or more a week by getting in on a niche that's underutilized, taken advantage of, that's going to get a lot of searches. Personalized supplements, so looking for customized health solutions. Again, these are just focused on health. Custom vitamin blends, health conscious individuals, fitness enthusiasts, and people with specific health concerns. DNA based supplement programs, really great, well worth looking for affiliate programs in that niche, and something that's underutilized but with searches. Sleep improvement, sleep disorders, and actual, we know of insomnia, but you've got like teeth grinding. You have got there's a name for it, a medical name, where your body wakes up before your brain and you're sort of frozen, like sleep paralysis. And there's actually here we go, sleep anemia, apnea. Great niche, real problems there, and products that can help with it, like weighted blankets and so on. Gut health and digestive enzymes, light therapy devices, and there you go, 5 niches that will get searches. Well worth trying that out today. What's that for? just to start showing you niches. One of the key things of making $1,000 plus a week will be getting into a niche that isn't so hard to rank for, and isn't a niche where you're not having to compete with everyone. So go and give that prompt a go, and obviously tailor it for the niche that you're interested in. 5 profitable affiliate niches for health products. Change that for whatever you want that you're interested in. That's the first hack or first prompt to use to get you a really, really good niche. Okay, so hack number 2, or AI prompt number 2, that will see you well on your way to making $1,000 plus a week with affiliate marketing, is using AI for content in the right way. Now what I'm going to do with this one, because there's so many tools, there's so many different ways of doing this, what I thought I'd do is just give you a prompt to get started with. Do check out your free 100 AI prompts below, because there's lots of different ways of generating content, and you really do need to adjust it, if you will. There's keyword content, there's product reviews, but I'll just show you product reviews now, or a simple prompt for a product review, and then you can expand on it. Simple point, using AI for content but in the right way. Okay, so I'll give you a simple prompt that you can build off. Here we go. Write a 1,000 word SEO optimized product review for a top selling SAD lamp in the light therapy category. Make sure to include buyer intent keywords, pros and cons, and a call to action for purchasing the product. Really simple, and it will output the content. Here it is. And then I highly recommend that you adjust this and add to it, and get customer opinion, and expand on this. But just for a simple prompt to get you started, you can see that it's outputting good content, and then you can build from it. Pros and cons, how to use, who should buy, final verdict, and then you could put customer feedback and so on. But knowing how to create SEO optimized content. Of course, the other thing as well with content is keyword content, and the other area is if you're using it for sales copy and all of that stuff. Really, really important skill. That's just for a product review and a simple prompt. I'll just give it to you again. Write a 1,000 word SEO optimized product review for a top selling SAD lamp in the light therapy category. Make sure to include buyer intent keywords, pros and cons, and a call to action. And the way I recommend, just to tell you with content, is once you get the output, then expand on it and actually say, now add in customer feedback, now add in product comparisons, now add in other subjects I could speak about that are in line with this product. Now give me the other top 5 sellers in this niche area. So you can expand on it once you've got your content. But check out your free AI prompts in the description, because that will give you far more. There's lots of different prompts on content. And let me give you the third prompt that you want to use AI for, that will have you well on the way to making over $1,000 a week with AI. Here we go. So the third prompt, or the third thing that you'll definitely want to be able to do, is traffic. Okay, and I'm going to show you a simple way of creating social media content, but you definitely want to use this to get traffic from AI using social media. You could also use it for pay-per-click campaigns, Facebook ads, but I'll give you the prompt to start with. Create 5 social media posts for promoting a HEPA air purifier, targeting pet owners who want to eliminate pet owners and improve their home's air quality. So the way I recommend that you do it is know your target audience, know the actual problem that they're looking to fix, and then you can gear all your social media around that. So post 1, say goodbye to pet owners, odors rather, not pet owners, pet parent essential, is pet dander taking over, and so on. And the other thing that you can do is this, guys. The other thing you can do is then take that initial output and refine. Let's say I want to look at this one. Take the first post and optimize for Instagram with an AI image and 25 relevant tags. So if you've used Instagram, you'll know that it's very much based on tags, and they can be a pain to try and find. Now it's given me the Instagram post to use. Check out a recommended HEPA filter with a link to your profile, and here's an image that we can use with a air purifier for pets. So that's a way that you can obviously change the content for X, Twitter, for Instagram, for Facebook, and that's the way that I recommend that you do it. So by doing these things, what we've looked at is how to find a niche, how to create content for a niche site or for copy, and how to send traffic using AI as a tool to help you do these while still maintaining you and your personality. So if you're interested in doing that, do subscribe to the channel. I've got more on the way. If you need more prompts and you want to have a more diverse range of prompts that go deeper into it, check out your free AI prompts in the description. Thanks ever so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.